This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kaki Moro. Beautiful 3 halves remodel in the quiet, picturesque neighborhood of Montclaire. Easy access to anywhere you would want or need to go. Just minutes to South Park and South End. The entire home has been reconfigured to make the floor plan flow throughout. The open kitchen features all new stainless steel appliances and white quartz countertops. The main bedroom is separated by the living area and kitchen, providing added privacy away from other bedrooms. Main bathroom addition featuring large walk-in shower, 70-plus-inch vanity, and dual sinks. The main living room opens up to the expansive kitchen and dining room as well as a bonus room, which could be used for an office, gym, second living room, and more. 2 additional bedrooms and updated hall bathroom. Hallway also features stackable washer and dryer connections. The back room opens up to a large fully fenced backyard.